Welcome back guys, welcome to BitByte Crypto. In this video I am going to share with you some bounty, and this is just my personal opinion. From my personal opinion, I think this bounty probably good for all of us to join, because in future it might be successful. So let's start the video after the intro. If you are looking for new bounties or want to know which bounty is running on the forum, you should definitely check this bot. The link of this bot will be in the description, so check the description box. You will get the link of this bot and click on that. You will get all the running bounty list in here which is running, and everyone is joining that bounties. If you don't yet join any bounties, you can definitely check this out. From all the running bounties, I collect some bounties which probably be good for us to join and which might be give us more profit in the futures. This is just from my personal opinion. So let's see which is on our first list. So first one is DIA bounty, which is managed by BubbleX, and he is quite famous in our community, and all the bounty managed by him is successful. The last one is Courtesy, which is already listed in Binance, and they did their IEO on Binance. After the IEO, they listed on Binance, so you should definitely check this out. So this bounty only have two campaign, which is Twitter campaign and another is signature campaign, but the signature campaign in two different form. One is bitcointalk.org form, which is in this form, and other one is running on altcoin stocks form. So if you don't have any account on altcoin stocks, then you can join by your account. If you are qualified for this requirement, you can check the requirement in the bounty section thread. So you will get the link in the description box. Again, I am saying that you will get all the bounty links in the description box, so check the links. You will redirect to the bounty thread of the particular bounties, and you can read all the instruction and join in that bounty. I am just going to give you some overview of the bounty, like which campaigns they are running and how long they will run. So DIA bounty will run from July 8 to August 4th. So you can definitely check this out. And one more update from the bounty manager is that the old budget was 100k DIA token, but they increased the total supply for the bounty, and the new budget is 200k DIA token for the bounty hunters, and Twitter limit was 400 and it's increased to 500. So if you miss the first chance to join this bounty, you can try now, because there are some free slot to join in this bounty. And if you are willing to join signature campaign, so there was only 50 participants limit, and now it's increased to 60. So if you want to join the signature campaign according to your member rank, so you can definitely check this out. So that is for DIA bounty. The next bounty is OIKOS bounty, and this is the second round of their bounty, because they already had their first round and already distribute the token to the bounty hunters of the first round, and they are on the second stage of the bounty. So you can see that their bounty allocation token is 400k OKS tokens, and they have different campaign like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, blog, signature and Medium. So if you want to join every bounty, you can definitely join, or if you want to join Facebook campaign, you can join in this. So first you should go to the bounty thread, which link will be in the description box, and you can read all the rules and all the instruction, then you can join in this. Point to be noted that this project is on Tron blockchain, and this is the first Tron based DeFi project. DeFi means decentralized finance. So you must have Tron wallet to receive this bounty reward. You can create a Tron wallet by using Math or a Tron Link apps. So let's go to our next bounty, which is I bid to win, and this project is a decentralized ascending auctions on blockchain. They are using blockchain for the ascending auctions, and from my opinion or thinking, I thought that this might be profitable for the hunters. If you want to join on YouTube campaign, article, Telegram and signature, you can check this bounty, and it's running from 5th July to 31 August, and they are budgeted 10k USDT, so it will be in USDT, so you can definitely check this out. The next one is UNG. Also, this is their third round for the bounty campaign, and they are doing their IEO on Bitforex, P2P, B2B and La token exchanges, and you can click the link which will be in the description box and go to this thread and read all the rules, terms and rules, and then join in particular campaigns which you are willing to join. Like you can join signature campaign, and they are allocate 40% of their total allocation in signature campaign, so it might be profitable if you can join in signature. And there are also Facebook campaign, Twitter campaign, Reddit campaign, LinkedIn campaign, and there is an extra campaign which is Turbo campaign. You can read all the rules which will be in the bounty thread, so you can check this out. So let's see our next campaign, which is Pay Accept. They are running this bounty for 12 weeks, and already they are in week 5. Total of 4 weeks completed, and they are in 5th week. So if you don't join in this bounty, you can definitely check this out. And they are running different campaigns like Twitter, LinkedIn, Telegram, blog or article, video, signature, translation, group owners and bonus. Also they added Facebook campaign from week 2, so you can also join Facebook campaign. The next bounty is ATTN. This bounty might be profitable for you because IOST team already invest in this campaign, and here you can see their tweets, you can read their Medium post, so you can definitely check this bounty. So let's see our next bounty. Next bounty is Terra Credit, and their bounty pool is 250k, and there will be a token swap which will be in August 1, and the new token price will be 1 credit equal $1, so you can check this out. The last bounty of this video is COVID, and it's on Tezos blockchain, so you can check this bounty, and their total allocation is 4 million CVR token, and according to their price, this bounty will be worth of $800k, and this is just according to their ICO or IEO price, and they are already doing their IEO in Bitforex exchange, so you can definitely check this out. That's it for today, guys. See you in the next video with new topic. Till then, stay safe, stay with crypto.